So here are my new lightning cables from Aonsen, and I am really pleased with these cables because they are so long. My daughter runs her phone down constantly, and this gives her a chance to charge her phone and have a little leeway. It's almost like when I was a kid and we didn't have cell phones and we had to use the corded phones and you would have the long cords. Same deal here. So you just plug it into your charging port and plug it into your phone. It fits great. It fits great with my case on.